haven't met before, but we are Delhi walas, so like.
Yeah.
We all are Delhi.
You have that vibe.
आप भी चलो.
I am in Delhi only.
Oh wow, इससे अच्छा तो साथ मिल लेते सर. But where is Shiba? आपको freeze हो गया frame.
शिबा का फ्रेम.
तो रहते ही दिल्ली में.
आप भी दिल्ली.
मैं तो रहता ही दिल्ली में.
Oh.
हाँ.
And Shiba, you in Bombay, is it?
Yeah, I'm in Bombay. Yeah.
Okay. शुरू करें?
Yeah.
Okay. So well, thank you so much for speaking to me, both Shiva and Rajesh. एक बात बताओ, आप में से बंदिश कौन करता है और बैंडिट कौन है वैसे?
बंदिश तो राजेश करते हैं, बैंडिट तो मैं ही होंगी.
शायद कुछ सही कहा है इन्होंने.
So what was your reasons to accepting the characters that you play, and tell us a bit about it. What intrigued you most?
What? Sorry, I lost you there.
I said what were your reasons to say yes to this project, and a little bit about your characters. You may सिर्फ झलकियां देखी हैं अभी तो.
Yes, okay, ठीक है, मैं शुरू करता हूँ. देखिए, मुझे तो सबसे ज्यादा इसमें अट्रैक्ट किया, नंबर 1 चीज तो मुझे जब शो के बारे में भी नहीं मालूम था, तो मुझे लेकिन ये मालूम था आनंद तिवारी कर रहे हैं, एंड मुझे वो बहुत ही अच्छे एक्टर और डायरेक्टर दोनों लगते हैं, तो मैं उनके साथ बहुत काम करना चाहता था. एक दूसरा, फिर मुझे जब इसके बारे में पूरा पता चला, तो ये पता चला कि इट्स अबाउट म्यूजिकल फैमिली और बेस्ड इन राजस्थान, और मैं खुद भी म्यूजिकल फैमिली से हूँ, राजस्थान से हूँ, और बीकानेर मेरे होम टाउन में शूटिंग होने वाली थी इसकी, तो बहुत सारी चीजें थी. और फिर मुझे पता चला शिबा भी है इसमें, तो एक तरह से बहुत सारी चीजें इकट्ठी हो गई. तो मेरे लिए तो ये एक वाकई बहुत ही कोई जिसके लिए कोई सवाल ही नहीं पैदा होता, ऐसा था.
जी शिबा
का
I know. और राजेश, आप और मेरा भी बीकानेर कनेक्शन है, फिर that means because my father's family also comes from बीकानेर. हाँ जी शिवा, आप बताओ.
Reason to say to who would say no to something like this? Yeah, it's such a well put together, all elements intact and things really wonderfully piroed together. Yeah, it's a great project, I think, on many levels. I love the story. I really love the story. I love the fact that it's working with music essentially. It's against the backdrop and canvas of music. I love a lot of things that is questioning, vis-a-vis our present reality, our past, our roots, our art. It's lovely. It throws up a lot. It's quite an interesting melting pot. So कौन मना करेगा इसके लिए? और फिर ये बेटे मिस्टर ये भी थे इसमें, और Nasir is there, Atul is there, it's Anand also. Yeah, I've never worked with him before, but I don't know if you ever met him, but he's just he's quite a guy, quite a lovely, कुछ अलग ही टाइप की एनर्जी है उनकी यार, बहुत सुंदर. तो मतलब उनको तो he's like a उत्सुक चुलबुल बच्चा, but very wise. तो very difficult to say no, and why would I ever want to say no to him?
And Shiva, मैं आपका एक पुराना इंटरव्यू पढ़ रही थी. It was for a website where you had said character actors के लिए ज़्यादा roles, they do not get the respect due to them, and there's not much available for them. But do you think things are now changing because the so-called heroes and stars are also fitting into character actors, because they're all characters now? People don't want to see star-studded ensembles without proper characters.
हाँ, ये पता नहीं कितना पुराना इंटरव्यू, बट इट गेट्स कोटेड अ लॉट. मैंने कई जगह पे मैं पढ़ती हूँ कि मैंने बोला था, मुझे याद भी नहीं, मैं कह के भूल गई थी.
हेडलाइन है वो, आपका नाम टाइप करो वही आता है वैसे.
I know. तो मतलब I feel like I need to defend or undefend this statement. I let it go. But yeah, this word character actually थोड़ा सा है ना, उसमें कुछ एक क्यों ऐसा, but it's true. It's also a reality that there were the main hero heroine, and then there were the others. But yes, it's true. The others have pretty much become more osmotic now. the others have also entered the center stage, and the center stage has also gone to the periphery. So it's working like that. But of course, yes, so it's true with the OTT platform and stuff. We are particularly we actors like us, of course, have a wider playing field. Case in point is just this series. Yeah, I mean, I'm genuinely thrilled with the role that I've gotten to play in this. I am. And so it's great. I can't imagine getting a film like, a role of this, how do I say, length in one way and fleshed outness in film. It's difficult, so yeah, it's a good time, yeah, for actors like us, and we're blessed to be considered for the kind of work that we're getting to do.
जी राजेश, आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
हाँ, मेरे ख्याल से ये OTT प्लेटफॉर्म्स में जो भी ये जो हमारा सीरीज का जो फॉर्मेट है, वो शायद ऐसा कुछ एक वो फॉर्मेट ही ये देता है कि आप प्लॉट्स सब प्लॉट्स पे भी आप बहुत गहराई से काम करते हैं। तो उसमें ये बाकी जिनको सो कॉल्ड सपोर्टिंग एक्टर या कैरेक्टर एक्टर्स कहते हैं, मेरे ख्याल से सारे ही कैरेक्टर एक्टर होते हैं। हीरो इज ऑल्सो प्लेइंग ए कैरेक्टर। तो वो उसको मेरे ख्याल से इसमें हमको ज्यादा मौका मिलता है, और बिल्कुल ये एक अच्छा वक्त है एक्टर होने के लिए।
जी। And also, do you think it is also because of the fact that there is a younger, perspective coming in? There are new younger people who are willing to take the risk, tell different stories, not so conditioned by the commercials of it. And also, films, you get commercially constrained, but the OTT platform gives you a wider canvas to tell your stories and narratives.
बिल्कुल, और बहुत सारे ऐसे कंटेंट है जो टेलीविजन पे उस पे बात करना थोड़ा मुश्किल हो जाए, फिल्मों में भी उसका बात करना थोड़ा मुश्किल हो जाए, और जिस तरह से कई चीजें होती हैं जिनको शायद एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए फिल्म छोटा पड़ जाता है, ऐसे कई सब्जेक्ट होते हैं, और टेलीविजन सीरियल अगर उस पे बनाओ तो वो एकदम डाइल्यूटेड हो जाएगा वो सब्जेक्ट। आई थिंक कि ये एक बिल्कुल परफेक्ट फॉर्मेट है जिसमें उस तरह के कंटेंट को एक राइट अमाउंट ऑफ डिग्री तक एक्सप्लोर किया जा सकता है।
शिवा?
हाँ बिल्कुल यार, बिकॉज अगर मैं देखूं तो टेलीविजन और ओटीटी में क्या फर्क है? I'm not just saying the technology, but in terms of television also we had a lot of time, to explore something, and even in OTT we have a lot of time to explore something in terms of sheer length. But look at what we did in television. I think the coming of the daily soap format totally killed any potential of aesthetic beauty or value that was there. वो तो खत्म हो गया. I think when you just bundle it in that kind of a framework of that kind of thing it needs to put out for daily soap कि आपको देना ही है वो episode तब तक, और अब आप कुछ भी it just you can't fight with that beast. It's too big, I think. So and with this I think we don't know quite the nature of this beast, I have a feeling. So it's great. It's very exciting playing ground. While like just now we got asked question के क्यों, मतलब ये कंटेंट क्या नया है, ज्यादा क्या हटके है, क्योंकि अभी तो क्राइम के ऊपर ही बहुत so I find that a bit of a self-defeating kind of a thing, because I'm saying if in OTT we are going to already put it in frameworks of possibility, we're doing such a disservice to this absolute magical potential which this medium has. अभी इसको क्यों बांध रहे हैं हम उसमें ना ऑलरेडी के अब यही चल रहा है वही चल रहा है. Oh God, I mean, like, just I think we should really let it explode with content, because also yes, it's true, it's youth driven in the sense that none of the youth ever have any connection with the kind of rubbish that we've been party to in television. It's really rubbish. I mean, totally horrid content. Nobody is interested in that, and and thank God that now also with the the global vistas is totally, so that these borders are permeable now of art. No, now what is happening in Iceland also I have full access to as what's happening in Norway, right? And it would be sad if we are just stay contained in one small parochial little parameter, right? So it's a great time, and this is a great platform for explosiveness of content. I feel more and more danger, more and more more danger, you know, let people explore more, I feel.
I so agree, because जब मैं राजेश सर से मिली थी was for Delhi crime. You were in Mirzapur, and all I was seeing the last year were these stories. Gangs of UP, gangs of this, and there was the grittiness, the crime stories. I think this has come like a breath of fresh air, and there are so many more stories to be told than the gritty and dark tales that we are exploding our TV screens with.
Taj Mahal is one case in point, not on this one though. I want to just say, content-wise, literally content, you know, it's just amazing. I could not imagine something like that happening in another time. It's just content, which is king right now. And why would ever one limit it, you know, in these times? It's be sad. Yeah.
मेरे ख्याल से बहुत सारे ऐसे और सब्जेक्ट्स पे भी आए हैं. थोड़ा बाय चांस ऐसा हुआ होगा कि ज्यादा क्राइम से रिलेटेड शोज ज्यादा चर्चित हुए, लेकिन अभी डेफिनेटली ये एक बंदिश बैंडिट तो ऐसा है जो जैसा कोई एक्सपेक्ट नहीं करेगा कि एक किसी भी ओटीटी सीरीज से. ये बिल्कुल अलग है. म्यूजिक हमारे जिंदगी का इतना बड़ा हिस्सा है, इवन हमारे फिल्मों का भी बहुत बड़ा हिस्सा रहा है, और वो अभी तक वंचित था. अभी तक क्यों नहीं था इसमें? तो मुझे लगता है कि ये एक बहुत बड़ा गैप था जो बंदिश बैंडिट के थ्रू फिल हो जाएगा.
शिवा, आपको हम दिल दे चुके सनम की याद नहीं आई थोड़ी बहुत?
नहीं यार, क्यों आएगी?
नहीं यार, मेरे को बहुत हम दिल when I saw it, it gave me a हम दिल दे चुके सनम vibe, a millennial हम दिल दे चुके सनम vibe. And you were in that way.
Okay, I get it now how that would possibly seem possible. But nahi yaar, because I do find that in another genre altogether, no? Completely. Yeah, it does have some germ of a situation, so to speak, common, but it's just another genre of approaching content, I think, that. And this is just so so here now, it's so real, it's so it's different, very different. मुझे तो नहीं आई, वाकई नहीं आई while doing it.
मुझे आई थी.
हाँ, but
and जब मैं राजेश जी को देखती हूँ ना, I think about Shanti, the first show.
मैंने कभी देखा ही नहीं है वो यार.
शांति नहीं देखा? कॉलेज से आते थे, we used to put on the television and watch Shanti.
Yeah, so I was not in the country when that came. I was out for 2 years. So उस वक्त television का boom हुआ था. And I think one of the big ones was Shanti, right? When the television
it was huge.
Shanti was the first daily soap, and it reminds me of my age always.
No,
mine too. मैंने मंदिरा बेदी जैसी मैं वो बिंदीज पहनती थी.
सांप जैसी.
Yeah. No, but we're very kicked with this content, yeah. Very, very kicked. Truly, with Bandish. It's truly, it was like he said, there's a gap in what got filled in terms of content, and it's really working on just so many levels so well. And wow, and myself, I've not seen it. I want to see it. I'm not
yeah. और ये मतलब जैसे हम लोग पहले भी बात कर रहे थे, शिवा भी कह रही थी कि ये हर एज ग्रुप को मतलब एड्रेस करेगा, अट्रैक्ट करेगा. एक ऐसा शो है.
Yeah.
And how has the lockdown been for you? ये 4 महीने, I think this is the new normal. This is how we are going to interact for some time. How has it been for you? You have a series coming out, but how has it been generally for you? Has it been anxious, or are you okay for the time off that you've got?
I think it's a mixed bag. Yeah, for me, it's like I truly have tried to take it as each day at a time, because I don't want to pressurize myself with anything. I think it is, for me, it is a difficult time. I mean, I'll be lying if I said, oh, no, it's okay. It's not. It's a really difficult time on many, many levels. It's also very difficult to see the kind of stuff that's going on outside right now. And it's really heartbreaking, so to deal with that thing, and the thing of the pandemic is another thing. And then there is a home, So I think on many scales, people are navigating many, many realities, and they're difficult. So for me, each day at a time, and deep gratitude for each day where, God, man, I mean, look at how well provided we are. I've never a single day without, just deep gratitude for that.
मैं मुझे कभी भी लगता है कि जैसे क्या कितना परेशानी में हूँ, कितना दुख में हूँ, क्या ये क्या है, और तो उसी वक्त मुझे ख्याल आता है बहुत सारे टेलीविजन्स का और बहुत सारे लोगों का। मुझे लगता है कि मैं अपना रोना रोऊं तो वो गलत है, वो जायज नहीं है। बहुत सारे लोग बहुत ज्यादा तकलीफ में हैं, होपफुली हम लोग इससे निकलेंगे। हालांकि शुरुआत जब हुई थी इसकी लॉकडाउन की, तो मुझे बड़ी खुशी हुई थी कि यार मुझे टाइम मिला, मैं अब अपना कुछ करूंगा, जो किया भी और कर भी रहा हूं। लेकिन जैसे जैसे ये वक्फा बढ़े जा रहा है, थोड़ी तकलीफ जरूर बढ़ रही है।
या लेकिन फिर भी पर्सपेक्टिव, यू नो, वाइल सबकी जो इस वक्त स्थिति है, रियलिटी है, वो रियल है। अपने जो भी हम जिससे भी जूझ रहे हैं वो सबकी रियल है और सब उसके थ्रू जा रहे हैं, उसकी भी एक जगह और वैल्यू है। लेकिन आई फील ऑलवेज टू हैव अ सेंस ऑफ पर्सपेक्टिव ऑफ, मतलब, you know, yeah.
I so agree. And I wanted to ask you, what do you think narratives are going to change post-lockdown? It's the way we approach our stories, because we've all experienced something that unusual together. I mean, people 150 years ago experienced the Spanish influenza. Us time social media nahi tha, net nahi tha. But we've experienced, everybody's experienced this together. Do you think it's going to impact our narratives? And also the shoots, the way they're going to be conducted are going to change? Do you think the stories will be smaller and people are going to be I see a lot of people making short films and content at home. Do you think it's going to impact the industry in some way?
I hope it doesn't, yeah. I mean, I hope this is a very temporary thing. And I hope it's not an enforced new normal. If it organically finds a voice and a place in how content is created and the kind of content that's created, great. I just hope it's not कि ऐसा करना पड़ रहा है, you know? Hopefully this is just it's a thing of here and now, and will recede, and not that this will not find way in a place in our content. It will, because as you said, people are we all are very deeply impacted, and I feel कि उसका impact जो है वो शायद और बाद में समझ आएगा हमको कि हम किस तरह, जब हम वाकई बाहर जाना शुरू करेंगे तो शायद इसका impact हमको in contrast समझ आएगा how, and I'm sure we all have been very deeply somewhere. Something would have shifted, changed, eroded, added. कुछ तो भी हुआ है. You can't just ignore it and say कि चलो ये time था, निकल गया. ऐसा हो नहीं सकता, because it's nothing like this will probably has happened or will happen. A pandemic probably this year happened once in a lifetime of any human being.
I hope so.
Exactly, yeah. तो वो ये चीज कहीं हमारे content में तो जरूर आएगी, आनी भी चाहिए, because to explore it is to be cathartic about it, to exercise it, to deal with it, because I'm sure it's impacted all of us in ways we are probably not even very aware of right now. Yeah.
Rajesh,
मुझे तो लगता है कि आने वाले मतलब 50 सालों तक इस पे कंटेंट बनेगा। ये कोई ऐसी चीज नहीं है जो जैसे वर्ल्ड वॉर पे या बहुत भी जो भी बड़ी घटनाएं होती हैं उन पे काम उसको रिविजिट किया, इस वक्त को रिविजिट किया जाता रहेगा आने वाले वक्त में। और ये कोरोना फ्री वर्ल्ड हो भी जाए, उसके बाद भी मेरे ख्याल से इकोनॉमिक और मेंटल जो डिप्रेशन है उसको जाने में वक्त लगेगा। वो इतनी जल्दी जाने वाला नहीं है। ये सच में एक ऐसी चीज है जो हम अपने पोते पोतियों को सुनाएंगे कहानियां, तो वो यकीन नहीं करेंगे।
Thank you so much. Both looking forward to Bandish Bandits, and you've given us something to sing along with, dance along, to cry and laugh along. But thank you so much. Stay safe, and thank you so much for speaking to me.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.